standing by in Mumbai. Radhika, I believe there's some email conversation that has come to the fore now. Can you take us through details of that? Radhika, are you there with us? All right, we don't seem to have Radhika at the moment. We'll try and get Radhika on the phone line in just a bit. Radhika's lawyer, Kangana's lawyer is what we are getting to know, has written a letter to the Mumbai police. Remember, the Mumbai police had issued summons to Kangana Ranaut as well for joining the probe. Now, Kangana's lawyer has written a letter to the police. What are the details of this letter? What are they saying, whether she will join the probe or not? Remember, she was in Manali and not even in Mumbai when these summons were issued. Initially, her sister had said that only some calls had come from the Mumbai police. There was no official summon to join the probe. But at the present moment, has the police issued those summons? What is Kangana's lawyer saying? They've written a letter now to the police. Let's get more details from that from Radhika in just a bit. But this is a larger conversation that is being carried out at the moment with regards to nepotism, lobbying, campism within Bollywood after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Sushant Singh Rajput, the actor who came into the film industry from the small screen, that is TV, made that crossover, which is considered extremely difficult in Bollywood because TV actors are more often than not considered overexposed and not given a break, even if they are talented in Bollywood. He was one of the few faces to have made over that crossover successfully. But after the initial fervor, he seemed to have hit a rough patch. Now, after his death, this is an ongoing debate within Bollywood as to whether the film industry is fair to those who are considered outsiders or not, whether there are lobbies, whether there are camps that work, which curb creativity, which curb merit in the film industry as well, and only seem to promote people within their own camps or one they consider their own. Kangana Ranaut's lawyer has now written to the Mumbai police. Remember, Kangana Ranaut had made grave allegations against some of the A-listers in Bollywood as well for having driven people who are considered outsiders in the industry to the brink with their kind of attitude of humiliating the others. Kangana Ranaut's lawyer has written after the Mumbai police expects Kangana Ranaut to join in the investigation. Seal the crime scene completely is what is being said in this letter. Examine all cell tower data from the last 6 months. These are some of the requests that are being made in that letter. Kangana Ranaut's lawyer has written now to the Mumbai police in which they are asking for the sealing of the entire crime scene. This is what they are requesting the cops to do. They are also saying that the data of the cell towers over the last 6 months around that area should also, in fact, be used to probe this matter. Amod Mehra, film critic, is still with us on the phone line. He's giving us an insight into how the Bollywood functions. Amod, Kangana Ranaut now, somebody who has in fact made those allegations. Some of the people, A-listers who are being called to question are very much being questioned because of the statements that she has made. Now, she is also an outsider, so-called outsider to the industry, and she has spoken several times on how she has had a fairly difficult task in Bollywood to be able to make a name for herself or to get the kind of projects that, justified the merit that she has. Today, as she's speaking out, Kangana Ranaut speaking out as an outsider, there are allegations against her as well that she's making this a case about herself rather than about the death of Sushant Singh Rajput. Which side of the argument are you on, Amod?
Yeah, I'll only say one thing, that she herself in Bombay Times has agreed and is given in her interview that she has never met Sushant Singh Rajput in her lifetime. She has also gone on record to say that she has never worked with him. She also says that I'm in Manali, I'm only going by hearsay, and I'm going with my personal experiences, that how it has affected me, so I can presume that it has also affected Sushant the same way. So this is all, her, whatever she's trying to put allegations appears to be more or less like her personal vendetta. There is nothing which she knows about Sushant Singh which she's trying to reveal. She's only trying to say that these are things, the facts that when it went to her, that why Mahesh Bhatt is going and giving him counseling. I'm just asking if somebody is in depression and that person's girlfriend, Riya, if she's meeting Mahesh Bhatt and Mahesh Bhatt says that the same way Praveen Babi also went and she died and she became mad, so it is I should go and meet him. If he goes and meets him and see Mahesh Bhatt is not one of those persons who can go to anybody's house. He is got his own ego. He lives in his own world. He's got his own trip. He is not the person who is very social. He is not socially good person to go and he's not going to go to somebody's house. If he's gone all the way to meet Sushant, there must be a definite reason that he wants to help him. But if you're trying to twist that and to say that no, he has gone and told him that you're going Praveen Babi way, that is why he died.
All right.
I don't understand, because I've been also told 100 times that you see you're mad and you do things. All my life I've been told that you're mad. So I used to also get impressed that I'm mad. But till I met somebody who told me, no, you're not mad, they are mad. So you have to get help from someone. If someone is trying to help you, it does not mean that it's not a abatement of suicide.
All right. Amo, just hold on to your thoughts there. Let me get in more details from Radhika, who's with us on the phone line now. Radhika, what is Kangana Ranaut's lawyer specifically talking about in that communication to the police?
Yeah, in this particular letter that the lawyer has written to the Commissioner of Police, Mumbai, he's basically pointing at the possibility of a foul play, which is why he's requested the Mumbai police to collect and preserve and examine dump data or data of cell tower dump in the vicinity of Sushant Singh Rajput's apartment. So he's basically requested the Mumbai police to collect as many evidence as far as electronic evidence is concerned, especially to understand who he may have spoken to, probably, prior to his death, and also the people who had visited him. So he's basically asking the police to preserve this cell phone data, cell tower data. Because there are talks doing the rounds that it could be, premeditated murder, or it could be abetment to suicide. So it is important to find out who may have visited him. So these are the, allegations in the letter that, there are talks doing the rounds that it could not be just a simple case of a suicide. It could be beyond that. That is what the lawyer is pointing at, and asking the Mumbai police to preserve cell phone data and also seal the seal the crime scene is what this is pointing at. So yes, Kangana Ranaut's statement is of course yet to be recorded. Even before that, Kangana's lawyer asking the Mumbai police to do certain steps, take certain steps to ensure that all the evidence and proof in terms of electronic proof and even otherwise within the apartment, whatever proof could be there, it has to be sealed and it has to be preserved and stored. That's what this letter talks about. Now we'll have to wait and see what when the statement recording of Kangana is going to happen, because that's something that the police is also awaiting. Many efforts have been made to reach out to her. Finally, she has said that she is going to cooperate with the probe. Will the police go to her place in Manali, or will there be an email communication with her to understand what details she has been privy to as far as Sushant Singh's life is concerned is something we'll have to wait and watch out for.
Let me also bring in Shilpa Ratnam for more details on this. Shilpa, Kangana Ranaut's lawyer has written to the police, but what one would want to understand is whether the allegations that Kangana Ranaut has made, specifically with regards to Sushant Singh Rajput's death or what led to it, is it based on hearsay, what she picked up while she was, interacting with people in the industry, or did she hear it ever first-hand from Sushant Singh Rajput ever?
Well, she has clarified in an interview that she did not have a friendship with the actor and that she had met him perhaps just once. Even when he came to her birthday party in 2015, she said that she was friends with his girlfriend Ankita Lokhande and spent the evening with her. And that she only knew of Sushant through Ankita. She also gave an example of how when she reached the producer's office, he had just left. So these were the kind of near meetings that she said she'd had with the actor, but she said she'd also followed his career keenly. And as for people that she's named, Kangana has on her social media said she does not know the exact circumstances what was going on in Sushant Singh's head. But she said that, I can only speak up for myself and for my career, and when my career and life are threatened. And the names she has named when she's been accused of having a personal vendetta or settling personal scores,
Yes.
she said, yes, these are my personal scores because I can only speak for myself. So when it comes to Sushant Singh Rajput, she has highlighted a couple of media reports and she has spoken about those reports. But apart from that, Kangana has made it clear that she did not have a friendship with the actor, and nor did she follow his work very closely, in the sense that she never appreciated his films. For instance, she never took to, even her team never took to social media, nor did she ever speak about his films in the media.
Okay.
Whereas the actor has spoken about the films of her other contemporaries, but she's never spoken about Sushant Singh's films so far. So it is true that she did not have a friendship or a close, intimate knowledge of what the actor was going through.
Okay.
She says it was through his ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande that she knew about his mental state.
All right, Shilpa Ratnam and Radhika Ramaswamy, many thanks for joining us with those details. Mahesh Bhatt will be recording his statement shortly. Meanwhile, Kangana Ranaut's lawyer has written to the Mumbai cops suggesting that the scene of crime, that is where the death of Sushant Singh Rajput took place, should be sealed, and cell phone data should also be taken into cognizance by the police.